Home Remedies presents. Take milk this way for a month and you will be surprised what happens to your body. You would be amazed to know that a spice drink made with Kalonji and milk can heal several health conditions and ailments. Here's all you need to know about this spice blend and how it heals ailments. Both black seeds and milk together have an abundance of vitamin K and potassium in them, which is beneficial for our bones and even our oral health. So, consuming black seeds and milk regularly can improve and strengthen our bones, and the drink is suitable for all age types. Improves brain health. According to studies, the antioxidant, neuron protecting properties and anti-inflammatory properties in this spice makes it great for boosting brain functioning. The presence of tryptophan and melatonin in milk helps in healing and relaxing the nerves and induces sleep. This drink also makes for a perfect bedtime drink. Perfect for weight loss. Drinking this spiced Kalonji and milk drink can help in improving the metabolic rate, which further helps in managing weight. Helps in managing diabetes. Nigella seeds can help in regulating the glucose level in the blood, which helps in managing diabetes. Great for heart health. Kalonji helps in reducing the bad cholesterol level LDL. This simple drink can help in reducing the triglyceride levels and reduce inflammation, which further helps in improving the risk of cardiac diseases. Heals pain and inflammation. The kitchen spice is great for body and joint pain as its anti-inflammatory properties can heal chronic inflammation. Improves kidney functioning. Kalonji helps in improving kidney functioning by reducing blood sugar, serum creatinine and blood urea levels. How to make Kalonji drink? To make this simple drink, just boil 1 glass of milk and add 1 teaspoon of Kalonji powder. You can add a teaspoon of honey to it. However, if you are drinking this spiced drink to lose weight or improve sugar levels, it is best to avoid adding honey or sugar. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.